What's going on, family? And I got a channel message. I got a spirit here with me who wants to tell me something. Wants to tell you, family. So what's up? Welcome to Heaven on Earth. We already got the mind card popped out sideways. So someone's trying to fuck with your head. And this is someone you know, dear to you, who is a friend. It says friend lines. Friend lines. And I saw friend lies. So someone's lying about your rebirth of your strength, of how you have grown from courage, of how you have grown from the bullshit that has happened, in 2018? And how you went on that adventure, and how you walk with the spirits of light. Someone's lying about it because they're trying to mess with your head. This person starts with the letter L. Their name starts with the letter L. Talking to a J. Someone who starts with the letter J. Yeah, they're saying that you don't talk to the Creator. The Creator doesn't work with you. The Creator fell upon the upright. I work for the Creator. That is the Divine Mother Goddess. 1, 2, 3. And I heard Yimaya. But this looks like Oshun. Amunra? Always trying to prove yourself to me and the powers that be. Who the fuck cares about these people from Austin, honestly? And how you fucking let go of them. Once upon a time, back in the days of your transformation, of these people trying to keep you in the past, of those drinking days, because it looks like a fucking toilet. How fucking sad, these past lives. Todavía estás en el mugre. Oh, they talking a lot of smack. A lot of smack. They even think you're fucking schizophrenic. Schizophrenia? Well, no wonder we don't trust you. There's schizophrenia here, so someone's all types of fucked up. All types of fucked up, and then we have a regurgitated state over here. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why are we speaking in Spanish now? Who's here? Pinche culera se la va a pagar. Oof. This is obviously a girl. ¿Quién está aquí? Someone from my family's here. They're mad. They're fucking pissed. Okay, está bueno. Let's go. Postponement. So that you can be conditioned. They want your strength conditioned. Even though they say there is no rebirth to her. She's not godly. Golly. When people talk, you're gonna end up falling off a cliff for ruining my name. You're being foolish. Te vas a caer, pendeja. Y vas a caer. And what's gonna fall is your awareness. Te lo van a quitar el agua. Las aguas. Con muchas aguas. Muchos cuidados. Oh, because they're coming for that dream state. Oh. Hijo eso. Do you want to take my picture so I won't remember? Yeah. Oh. You done fucked up. You're doing picture magic. To a high level master. Because you think you a master? You think you's a master? You think you're the master of dream states. To control somebody. Pobre de ti. Pobre de ti, porque todavía no sabes lo que es la verdad de Dios. You got the creator here on the field. Oof. These are high Mahachohan I was gonna say cholos, but these are fucking chelas. A la madre, you have fucked up big time. These are the mothers are coming through. You're fucking with her baby and stopping her growth. We've got, what do we have here? Suppression. All tied up in cords. Look at all those cords. Ooh, girlfriend. You've been fucking up. You were trying to take someone's innocence. Whose innocence? And I heard yours. Of a divine one. Ordinarius. They think you ordinary. They think you nothing. That innocence that you have, family. Because you're not out here in the world trying to bank or some shit. I don't know why. Yeah, they're celebrating on the fact that they've stopped you. What is this? Yeah, postpone. Wow. Okay. The trust is lost. The trust is gone. You're out. You fucked up. Segment. Oh, it's getting cold in here. Spirits, let me know. Hear me roar. Hear me roar. What do we need to know about this person and what they've been saying about us, the family, the collective? A postponement of this rebirth in your conditioning path? Why? Oh, because they're alone. And so that's why they're talking smack? Oh, and they're a miser. So family, you must have more than this person, even though this person might have lots of riches. And might have lots of things. But is super fucking lonely. In it. Big time. They're trying to get out. They're trying to get out, but the way you're going about it, mijita, andas bien mal. I just saw 811. So they're trying to intuitively switch positions with you, switch places. Like, why? Now why? I thought you were fine with all the money and the gold in the world. I thought that was everything. Apparently you're a fucking miserable hater, liar. Yep, coming in for your creativity of your duality, of being helpful. It seems like you took a part of this. You were a hand in it. Miserly sacral chakra. Ah, that's why the creator's here. The creator is storing your chakra, family. What else? Yeah, they don't want you to break through. They don't want you to break through out of what they have put on you that they participated in stopping a divine one. Woo, this rebel thinks they have a cause. What's your fucking cause? What's the card over here fell on ordinary and innocence. And celebrate. What is their cause, I said? Of turning in and exhaustion. Oh, here's a robot spirit that kept hearing. Okay, so what I'm seeing from this card of turning in, that you have the ability to push the spirits away from you, whatever has been sent your way, and be calm and collective around them and speak to them. And even though they might come off all cuckoo crazy, you're a calm, innocent child who seems very ordinary, but this person's exhausted. Exhausted. I guess money, glitz, and glam isn't everything. Do you wanna take my picture? How fucking dare you take someone's picture and use fucking spell work upon them? How fucking dare you? How fucking immature you are, because that's the maturity. That's in reverse. How fucking immature you are trying to block someone's glam, someone's blow up, someone's grow up. These are of Asian descendants. Did you think that my name was Connie just for con sense? Yeah. This person might think you're the missing piece to them. Completion. They don't want you to complete the cycle that you're on right now because they know you're going to outshine them. I'll just fucking blow over them. Outskirts over the top. Oh man, at the bottom of the deck, yeah, because this person's, they're empty inside. They got nothing. They got nothing. And what does that mean? The love. The love. Receptivity. And fighting. So they want you to be receptive to their fighting. Yeah, look, it's a feminine spirit. Look. It's a feminine on the field. Trying to fight you energetically, mentally, in the spirit realm. No wonder. Ay, pobrecita. Ay, yeah, and this card fell down. Oh, some type of justice is about to be served. Well, let's see, spirits. Which deck do we go? Where do we go from here? And I'm tasting something weird. You know what? What spirits is she using? Yeah. And I saw the lion spirit. So this person could be a Leo. Coming for your ring. Yeah, like ring in marriage. Marry me. Be with me. Yeah. What is she fighting? She's trying to block fighting your mind. Fight because it fell upon the fighting and receptivity of your mind. Of the spirit of the tower. The spirit of the past. Oh, God. The werewolf spirit. That's what this bitch really is. Okay, here we go. She wants to put you in the past of nostalgia, of aching upon an old flame. So these big changes hit you and not them, because they're going to suffer through some karma that they did of being wildly untamed in desire. The werewolf spirit. And the spirit of the woods. Voices, goblins, and nightmares. Oh, you're afraid of the word of God. This is in the reverse. So they've been doing werewolf magic. Well, this is binding, banished. No, bane magic. And in the woods of your words, trying to cause nightmares. Trying to tap on into some type of memory. Do you remember? How fucking tacky you are. Seriously. That was like fucking like years ago. Wow. But these people that want to hold you there, why? Because that's what they're fucking gossiping about. They're gossiping about how you were once upon a time. Oh my God. And that all this that she's doing now, it's all a play, it's all show, it's all an act. Wow. When people hate, they really fucking hate, y'all. What do we got over here? Of celebration. Oh, they're using Hecate, the goddess of the night, the crossroads, and the ghosts. Sending you ghost spirits. And then the spirit of a dwelling place, your home, structure, and foundation. On today, when all we saw were fucking fours, are you sure you want to come for me today? Woo! No wonder my spirit showed up. What a fucking loser you are. Seriously. Why? Because I found God and I talked to God and the spirits talked to me and now suddenly you have a fucking problem with me? Órale. Órale. Así de quieres? No hay pedo. Just fucking tell me the truth, you fucking lying ass little bitch. Fucking punk talking shit behind my back now because you think you're all badass and you think you're bad because of whatever. Because of all the gold, glitz, and glam, but deep inside, you're a fucking crone. You're a crone, and everybody sees you. And they see it. The only reason they come around is because you got money now, and so they just want your money. Number 3, expression comes naturally to you. You are very skilled at communication, your thoughts through conversation and creative pursuits. You are able to get others on board with your ideas. Yeah, because I'm not talking some shit. I'm not trying to hurt people. I'm trying to heal them. I'm trying to be open. I'm trying for them to be open and aware and wake up. Wake up, yo. But this person, they're asleep and they want you to be asleep. That's why we have all these dreams, postponing, like all this awareness that's like at night. That shit happens at night. Some people, man, you think you know them, but you don't fucking know them. No. Yeah, at the bottom of the deck, they're coming for your kind-heartedness because they know deep down you're kind-hearted because you were there for them through some fucking caca that they went through. But because they haven't experienced God like you do, family, because they haven't experienced the Lord God and salvation is real and repent. Repent means changing your ways. Not doing the same thing just because you change your hair, your body, your clothes, whatever. Suddenly you're, sainthood. No, you have to change the way you talk, you sound, you do. And some people pepper. Apparently this is with a P name. Petro. Wow, spirits always come through, yo. Number 999. Thank the past for the lessons and leave it where it belongs so that you can make the best of the life that is still waiting to be fulfilled by you. They don't want you to do that, family. They want you to be in this fucking broken ass up energy the way you were once upon a time when they fucking knew you. Keep coming for me. Keep talking shit up on my name. The spirits they love. This is why I have the door open. As soon as they hear something, boom, they come over here fucking fast. You know how far away I am from Texas? 44, I am supported by the angels are encouraging you to continue your present life with diligence and determination, and even greater success will come in the future. But that's what they don't want for you. They don't want you to believe that you're supported. They don't want you to know. They don't want you to know that you walk with God. They don't want you to know that angels are constantly communicating to you on the spirit realm, on the physical and the material realm in the middle of now, and you call yourself Native American? You don't fucking see one when you see one? What a dumb bitch. Qué vergüenza tu nombre, de veras. Es falto de respeto. Es un pinche falto de respeto. Respeto. They even make fun of how you speak? No, hombre, wow. You're fucking tacky. Fucking tacky. Well, good luck to you. Because I'm about to cast you out and close my circle and see how you do it on your own. Sorry. Sorry. We're on the path right now. We're not taking any more bullshit. We're not taking your shit. Anybody's shit. Whoever, however, whenever. And if you're not on that path and you're not walking with us of faith, of good love, compassion, and you're just going to run your mouth about somebody when you don't know what the fuck they went through, and you think you know? Orale. That's cool, because they're bagging upon you, family, about your past life. And the shit that happened once upon a time. When you were broke. And not just broke. See how that card just flipped? Damn. It did like a little fucking dance. Okay, you want me to turn it? How you were fucking broke. And not even broke, like money-wise, but how people would laugh at you and they would make fun of you. Wow. Wow, because you really loved somebody and they didn't return the love to you, but they want to make a joke about it. You're going to joke about someone's heart when they were loving and they were feeling broken? That's fucking called immature. Fucking grow up. We've got fear. Fear is a lie. You're going to get your fight back. Reflect on your heart and your brain and actions all at once, but they're not doing that. They're talking out of their ass, pretty much. And they're talking about fear. Stop being arrogant and aggressive. That's what they do. That's what I saw. Being arrogant and fear so below. So they're doing some type of spells, picture magic, trying to stop a shaman song. 55, that's an evil force. Okay, you want to be on the other side of the tracks? Yep. Okay. As long as you chase after them, you lose sight on yourself. Walk away. You will not get closure yet. Not time. Not the right time. Not time right. Not time yet. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Mother Divine, show me. As you are always on time. Yeah, this is shit. If I'm already itchy, it's bitchy. Some bitch, some itch. Talking their shit with their nails, trying to claw at you. Wow. Upon your foundation. This fell upon the support. What is it? We've got 133. Upon the universe. 6. A death spell to your will. Because that's my death spell card. Okay. 1 and 9. What you got? Okay, let's see. People are fucking cruel. Wow. And you think that these people are your friends. Look, I'm not fucking naive. I know people talk. I know people are always gonna fucking say some fucking shit. But that, wow. You want to talk about me? You sure? Okay. So 133 is coming from the universe. We've got 606, death to your 6. And I'm guessing what? Pentacles, swords, coins, everything. Death to the green, to your heart, to your love. Death to my love. And what? You think that that's going to bring me to you? I would rather be alone. 1 9. Yeah, that's what their plan is. We've got adding 1, but this is in red. I wouldn't even fucking trust a red marker. Never, ever. This is like survival of the fittest. So they can use your energy 6 of your wild card, of your wildness, of taming you, because it's in the reverse. They want you to be tamed. They want to tame you specifically. Wow, spirits. Why? What? Allah, this came out of nowhere. No, it didn't come out of nowhere. Unbelievable. Yeah, there's a stop on your will. And there's a stop on thy will. Because it's not my will. It's thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. But you want to think otherwise. Pobre de ti. What are they going to get, Spirit, for fucking with a divine one? Fucking with a chosen child. Oh, shit, the door is open. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, shit. It just got fucking cold in here. Doors open to what? What spirits are going to come through for them? Oh, yeah, it's falling upon the friendly card. Oh, yeah. Coming in the reverse. Your perception and your foresight. And how you took advantage of an innocent one. Who came in with innocence with you to help you. Oh, pobre de ti. Ahora vas a pagar por todo lo que dijiste de nosotros. Ay, 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 ay. Da-dun, da-da-da-da-dum. Everything gets paid tenfold. Everything is going to get paid tenfold. Okay. Spirit of the mermaid. This is a water person. This is a beauty. Untamed and free. Untamed again. So this is a water sign. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Scorpio came first this time. Spirit of the shoreline. Calm, tranquil, and relaxing. They're coming for your peace. Upon being supported is the spirit of armor. Your defense and tactical guarded. That's what they're coming for. Trying to break up my spirit team? Yep. And we got 4 cards over here that fell upon the werewolf. This person could start with the letter A, J, or S. They're going to come in with an offer. Why would we take your offer now that we know the truth about you? Of a test, of an offer of temptation in the reverse. They're trying to block something as well. Trying to block your luck. Oh, no, you fucked up. Yeah, the spirit of the fly. That's fucked up. I saw a fly today. Decay, rotten, and stagnation. That's what they wanted for you, family. Confirmation. Spirit of the waters. And las aguas. ¿Qué onda, Yemayarua? Cleansing, healing, and emotions. That's what they're trying to stop. They don't know how you keep fucking washing yourselves away from this person. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, 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 wash. Wash away your pain. Fuck off. Because we take a shower, bitch. And every time we shower, we cleanse you away. Ay, pobre de ti. And they don't know how or why. Too bad. We could have showed you, but you wanted to come against us. Ay, pobre de ti. Yeah, the spirits are here. Blue butterfly. A lot of spirits here. How do we deal with this person, Lord Spirit? And me pica, like, my skin is itchy like a motherfucker. Like, they're like, no. I'm hearing no. You're not going to help her anymore. Fuck her. Fuck that. Fuck off. My spirits are mad with you. I don't know what the fuck you be saying. I don't know what the fuck you be saying. I just saw something out of the corner of my eye. I don't know what you're saying. But they telling me too. Oh, I see. The fucking devil came out. Upon the rebel of your participation of our breakthrough. Oh, el diablo aquí está. You know the devil works for God, right? Your fragrance of perfume's gonna go out. Ace of Cups. Runneth over. The moon of illusions. All on the upright. Oh, shit. Yeah, the butterfly otra vez, that transformation. Pobre de ti. Pobre de ti. Well, family, just be aware of this person. Wow, this fucking my hands are freezing. The ancestors are here. Spirits are here. Everyone's here. Monitoring spirits, everyone's here. What else? Keep going. Well, which deck do you want me to pull from? And I heard make her squirm. Okay, so they're trying to scare you straight. Okay. How do you want to scare her with? Ay, ay, ay. Wait. So they've been postponing. I want to know how much time it's been. How long? Postponing. 13. For an entire fucking year? Yep. And I'm looking at it, it says 13, but all I can see is down. They're going down. Oh my God, because that other way around, that's 31. That's God. They're going down, down, down. See what's become of me. 31 on the field. When I look around about my possibilities. What does it mean for me? Look around. Hit the ground. And the stars. We an ancient sea of a window. Hello to my old time friends. Down by the river bend. And seeking you see. What you have obtained from me. Wow, family. This. Where do you want me to go? Here? Oh. Yeah, they want me to take it to the shadow deck. Alright, we need specific words of what they're saying. Yes. Okay. They're trying to mute you, family. They're trying to mute you into silence in your voice. You are afraid to speak due to fear, rejection, express yourself. But this is them. This is them because it felt like this. Oh, yeah. They want to be the boss of you. They want to be the boss of you. What the fuck, dude? How tacky are you? Your words around to flip the script just to have a juicy gossip of you. Yeah, this person's a fucking running their mouth about you. Oh, running. I guess this is the only way they have the ability to talk. They talk about you. Yeah, because they're phony baloney. Stop tolerating a fake life with fakers. Get happy. So, one, this person's probably smoking. And this is where they're talking shit about you. Fire starter, instigator, spirit. This person starts the fire and then wants to be the hero to save the day. Oh my God, you're one of those? No wonder. Hater in plain sight. You always known who it was. Oh, this person's got something attached to them. Arc demon. High alert. Oh, bitch. No wonder you're going down into the pit. And in the reverse, this card's in the reverse. Customer is always wrong. You are manipulating the situation to get what you want. Stop it. Oh, so they think this is me. Oh, stop. You are going about it in the wrong way, in the wrong direction. What's sad is that it's you. This person has a high-ranking demon on their head, and if it's got flies, you already know that's the visible. That motherfucker. No wonder. Dun 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 dun. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I see the month of May. Are you watching fucking My Girl right now or what? This bitch, you're a real bro dude man suit. She's got her fucking man suit on, so she's in a fucking shell. Even though she's pretty as hell. Oh, that's what I heard. She's pretty as hell, so hell loves her. Well, that's because she's got an arc demon on her head. The terror of your error. You know you are wrong with what you did. Now you're refusing to admit it. Trying to cause you with a hellstorm. Come in that change. What did I tell you about that 6? For your luck of the space. Bitch, I run with the storm spirits. Those are my ancestors, dumb fuck. Wow. Oh well. Another one bites the dust. Pa abajo vas. Pa abajo tan dafo con todos los dafos. ¡Ay! Are we done? So, shoulder pain. I spy with my little eye. I cry at night. Through the window I sigh. The spirits are watching you. Spirits are watching you, and you're gonna fall right on your fucking face. You're gonna fall flat on your face. It's gonna hurt your eye. They're gonna cut your eye so you know. That's fucked up. I don't want to be a part of that. Well, family, that we're talking about you, so this is how it's gonna go. Correcting, this is the justice. Sometimes a bitch needs to fall straight on her face to fucking know not to fuck with you. Down by the river bend. I don't know, maybe they go river rafting, river watering. Tubing, I heard. Tubing. I dare you to go tubing, they said. You better stop doing what you're doing. You better stop doing what you're doing, because they're gonna get you. That was my dad. They're gonna get you. Pobre de ti, mijita. Ay, pobre. Yeah, they're watching you big time. Okay. Oh, really? So they were trying to they were doing shut up spells, trying to affect your heart, coming in through the dream state. And I heard stress-induced coma, stress-induced heart attack. Yeah, because it's a heart. That's what I think about your stress-induced heart attack. Well, pero todavía. Pero todavía. Because this is one from the underground. Already sold her soul on the train tracks. On the train tracks? Really? At the crossroads? With the crossroads spirit? I know who that is. It's actually several. Met him the other day. He's actually nice. Real nice guy. Taught me something. Taught me something I didn't know. But now I know. Okay. What's funny is that these people from the past didn't know the abilities that you had because it was not something you were announcing to the world. And because you were never announcing it before, they think, oh, she's lying now. She's all about that shit. No, bitch, I was born with this. But you want to think otherwise? Fine, go ahead. It's a free country. Do what you will. Free will, right? Do you, boo? But they're going to go boo to you and you're going to feel it. You're going to sense it. I guess that's why the spirits were just telling me that it was coming. Cleaning it up. Let's drop it. Dream state. Losing your head. Hard to breathe. Stop. Don't touch me. Oh, now you're scared? You should have been scared from the beginning. This person who tends to be a different culture that they scared that they're not the culture that they're not of, never been in, but because they watch all those scary movies and whatnot, suddenly they want to be a part of it. Ay, pobre de ti, che niña. Okay, this is the end. Here's where I leave you. This person will now be experiencing the sorrow that they have been projecting upon thee. Within your world, all you will see, everywhere you see, will be this sadness. With everyone and everyone you meet will be in the same predicament. That's the karma you were projecting on other people in their dream state. This you will be experiencing. All you will see is the sorrow in the world. That will be your creativity, all the sadness. This will be your adventure now. Seeing all the chromatics. Your abundance is going to fall away from you. Falling away from you. Losing clients, losing people. For your fighting. And fighting a divine child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you're about to hit a spiritual warfare. A spiritual battle. And this is what you get for projecting this energy on someone else. Projecting this fucking evil eye. It's an eye. Look at this shit. Of your own sorrow. When these people just came in and tried to help you. Tried to flip the script in your own mind of your own perception. This is what you give people. You better hear me now. You better listen up. Clear it. Throw everything away. You better stop sharing what you've been sharing. And I heard they're sharing your energy, your light. Burning so bright. They're cloaking themselves in your light. All right, the light's about to go out. You ready? Pobre de ti, vas a sentir sola. El frío no se te va a escapar, porque Que quieres a jugar, a vente niña pa' acá. You've been told.